Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 7 ways to make passive income. So if you're interested in that, stick around. And now let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So how do you make some passive income? The first way is you want to start a blog. Blogging is very powerful. It's more powerful than you can actually believe. There's so many ways to monetize it, and we'll get into that a bit later in this video. But blogging is still relevant in 2019. It's going to be relevant for years to come, and most people don't actually believe that it is, but it's very, very profitable. Some people are making tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars just by having a blog. So you can use social media to drive some traffic to it. Just post it everywhere because it's going to be very hard at first to get known. But if you have an Instagram account and Facebook or whatever it is, just drive traffic from there straight to your blog. And that way you will start to create an audience, and that will help you quite a lot because then you can monetize your audience, and that's a very good way to do it. The second way is to sell ebooks. Selling ebooks is something that's very, very profitable. So many people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that. You can write an ebook about anything that you actually enjoy, and you can use Kindle, for example. Kindle is very good because that's Amazon, and Amazon is so huge that it's going to be very easy to actually sell your ebook to anybody. And it's not going to be that easy. Like, your first ebook will probably not get many sales, but you just have to work to it and make it better and better, and then you will start to make some sales. So if you don't want to do it on Kindle because you hate Amazon, another way to do it is selling it through your blog. So that's one way to monetize your blog, is to sell some ebooks. So if you have these, they can help you. You can't sell them for very much money, but all the money that you're going to make is just going to pile up and pile up. So you don't want to underestimate how many ebooks you can sell and how much money one ebook can make you. So that's a good way to do it. The next way is to sell video courses. So this again is another way to monetize your blog. If you have video courses and you talk about something that people want to learn on your blog, then you can sell your courses on different platforms. So Udemy is part of it. Udemy is very good because you don't have to actually have a blog or anything like that before, because they'll do the promoting for you. So if you have a good course, people will talk about it and you will be able to sell them. And courses sell for quite expensive. The downside to Udemy is they put sales like on so many things. It's like minus 90% sometimes, so you might lose a bit of money, but it's free to create a course. So if you do that, then you'll be able to make quite some money, and some people became millionaires by selling on Udemy. The next one is Skillshare. Skillshare is another one which I'm not I don't know it very well, so I want to be completely honest with you. But that's another one where you can do this. You can do this on ClickFunnels, but then you have to promote your own courses, so it's going to be a bit harder unless you have an audience that's already built up. And there are tons of other platforms that you can do this. You just have to research which one is the best for you. The next one is Amazon FBA. So what you do is you just, it's very known. There are so many videos out there, but basically what you do is you buy a product and you send it to Amazon, and Amazon just sells it for you. You obviously have to promote it, but that's basically the way you do this. So if you're interested in that, you just have to check out some videos. There are plenty out there. so I'm not going to dive into that one too much. The next one is to create a review website. So many people have made a ton of money doing that. If you create a website where you review tech or headphones or whatever it may be, and by doing that you tell them that there's a link at the end of it and they can buy it. So you just put an affiliate link, whether it's to Amazon or anything else, and you make money from that. So many people have made a ton of money doing that. That's just another way. This works as well. It's going to be hard work, but all of these are, so you just have to do that. The next one is to sell photography. So if you use Shutterstock, for example, if you take good photos, you just send it over there and people will have to pay to download them, and that's how you make some money. So if you take a million different photos, maybe one will sell extremely well and that will be enough to make you a ton of money. So just take photos, send them over there, and people will actually pay to use them, whether it's for their website or anything else. You have to keep the customer in mind, who is going to buy your photos, and that way you are going to make some money. The next way is one of my favorites, if not my favorite, is to sell high ticket affiliate marketing. So high ticket can go from $500 to $1,000 to even more than that. But that's a very good way to make money because you don't have to make many sales. So to drive traffic, you'll have to use a blog or a YouTube channel or just paid traffic, but that you have to actually learn how to do that because it's going to be a bit harder. But these are the three main ways that people actually get some sales with affiliate marketing. I've got a ton of other videos, so make sure you watch them. I'll try and link them at the end of this video, but high ticket affiliate marketing is one of the best ways, because if you send people and you have free traffic, whether it's from your blog or a YouTube channel, you just have to sell 10 items for $1,000 and you just made $10,000. So if you do that in a month, you're making $10,000 a month just by selling 10 items. So that's not even one a day. And again, I've had this video, I made a video especially on that, so I'll try and link it at the end of this video, but you really want to make sure that you check this one out. So this was 7 ways to make some passive income. So just try any of these, all of these work. You just have to put your mind to it and actually get going. So with that being said, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment, leave me a like, whatever you want to do. I always appreciate your engagement. It helps out the video, so I always appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.